So hello guys, for today's video we're going to talk about what is Shopify Plus and is it worth it? So before we start, I would like to remind everyone to like and share this video on our channel. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss a very important details. Let's begin. The objectives of this video is to identify what is Shopify, the Shopify Plus, the Shopify Plus features, and the benefits of Shopify Plus. So what is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform you can use to build an online store. It allows you to sell both online with your own website and or in person using a point of sale app. What is Shopify Plus? Shopify Plus includes all of the standard Shopify features, plus additional resources that are designed to help support merchants with higher revenue and sales. Shopify Organization Admin lets you manage all the stores in your organization from a single location. So the main difference between Shopify and Shopify Plus is the size of the businesses using each one. Shopify is for small to mid-sized businesses, while Shopify Plus is for larger, even mid-sized businesses. Pricing is another big difference that reflects the businesses using each service. So what is Shopify Plus features? Shopify Plus offers a variety of features to help you further grow your high-volume business. So these are the features of the Shopify Plus. First is the organization settings. Organization settings let you manage all the stores in your organization from a single location. Another feature is the specialized apps and channel. Shopify Plus merchants have an access to advanced Shopify apps that are designed for high-growth merchants. Next is customizable checkout. The Checkout Liquid file provides a customizable checkout that gives you more control over the branding of your store. Next is the API resources. Shopify Plus supports additional API calls that let you integrate with custom apps. Next is unlimited staff. Shopify Plus supports unlimited staff accounts to help you grow your personnel without adding or additional cost. Next is permissions. Shopify Plus offers additional permission settings for more control over the action your staff can take in your Shopify admin, including separate report, export permissions, and permissions to specific apps. Next is expansion stores. Shopify Plus supports 9 expansion stores for internationalization, separate physical locations, and other related purposes. Next is development features. Shopify Plus supports unlimited development stores. Next is Shopify Plus Partner Program. The Shopify Plus Partner Program has a service partner who are curated for their technical expertise to provide solutions that support your high-growth business. And another feature is the themes. With Shopify Plus, you can add up to 100 themes to your Shopify account to try out a new themes. Keep seasonal versions of your published theme or test changes to a copy of your published theme. Next is Shopify Post Pro. The first 20 Post Pro locations are included in all Shopify Plus plans. Next is the integrations. Some integrations, such as tax services with Avalara Avatax, can be used by Shopify Plus merchants only. And lastly is the Shopify Plus Academy. Shopify Plus offers access to the Shopify Plus Academy for self-guided training on key topics related to growing your business. So, what is the benefit of Shopify Plus? These are some of benefits of the Shopify Plus. Shopify Plus supports unlimited staff accounts to help you grow your personnel without additional cost. Shopify Plus offer additional permission settings for more control over the actions your staff can take in your Shopify admin, including separate report, export permissions, and permissions to specific apps. So Shopify Plus is a digital retail platform where you can start, grow, and scale your business. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something for this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel. See you on the next video.